Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make vegetable cutlet in a very different way. So let's get started. So the ingredients needed for making the cutlet are lots of vegetables which are available at home like cabbage, capsicum, spinach leaves, carrots, some green peas, coriander leaves, and 3 to 4 medium sized potatoes boiled and grated, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, and some ginger garlic paste. Actually, there is no exact measurement for taking all these ingredients. Whatever is available at home, you can use it. Take a pan, add some 2 tablespoons of oil. When it becomes hot, add about half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. When it starts spluttering, add some ginger garlic paste. Saute it for some time. Now add the chopped green chilies. Once the raw smell of the green chilies have gone, I will add the grated carrots. Instead of onions, I am adding the cabbage. So these days onions have become very expensive, so I have substituted it with some cabbage. Now add the capsicum. You can even add red and yellow color bell peppers. Mix all the veggies nicely. Now add some salt to taste. Cook this mixture for about 2 minutes. I am closing the lid, let it cook. So after 2 minutes, let's check out the veggies. Yes, they have partially cooked. These veggies, cabbage, carrot, capsicum, all these are very highly nutritious, rich in various vitamins. So surely add this in your diet. Now we will add in some spices. I am adding about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about half teaspoon of chili powder, about half teaspoon of coriander powder, about half a teaspoon of amchur powder. It is optional. Instead of this, you can add lemon juice also, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it. Now I am adding some green peas. These are frozen green peas, so it will be cooked very fast. If you don't have, you can skip it. You can even add cauliflowers also. I am adding some spinach leaves. This gives a very unique taste to our cutlet. So you can add fresh chopped spinach leaves also. Mix it. After a minute, you can add the key ingredient, that is boiled and grated potatoes. 2, 3, 4. How much you require, you can take the amount. Give it a good mix so that all the veggies get mixed in these potatoes. So once all the ingredients are mixed, I am going to add the chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix. So while making these cutlets, many of the times we face the difficulty, that is, when these veggies we add in large quantities, the cabbage, capsicum, carrots, even onions also, when we add, all these veggies, they ooze out lot of water after they are cooked. And when we add salt, all this water comes out. So we are not able to give the appropriate shape to our cutlets. So for that purpose, I am using here a new trick. So that is, I have ground some poha. or puffed rice or beaten rice, and I am adding it into this mixture. It will bind all these ingredients together. I am adding in some salt. So you can try it out. It's a new method. The normal poha which is available in our house, we can grind it in the mixer and use it for the cooking purpose. This poha powder also adds to the taste of our cutlet, and it gets cooked within a minute or two, and we can roll our cutlets into expected shape. Now our potato mixture is ready. Switch off the flame and let it cool. By that time I am going to prepare the slurry for coating our cutlet. For that I am taking about 3 tablespoons of corn flour and about 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can do it with all-purpose flour alone. Give it a mix. Add a pinch of salt. Add a little pepper powder. It gives a very good taste to our cutlet. Add in some water and make a loose slurry. Lumps should not be there. Mix it well. So our slurry is ready. Apply some oil on the palm. Take the vegetable mix and just roll it into a round shape. Because our dough is stiff, so we can roll it into any shape we desire. Just flatten it, give it a round shape, and your cutlet gets a desired shape. So make all the cutlets in the similar way. So the cutlets are ready for further use. So first of all, I will take the cutlet, dip it in the slurry, cover the cutlet with slurry properly. So here, instead of slurry, even you can use egg white. So you can avoid this slurry, and dipping in the egg white also you can do this. Then roll this cutlet in cornflakes powder. So I have used here cornflakes powder. So instead of breadcrumbs, I have skipped the breadcrumbs and used cornflakes powder. You can even take makka poha. You can powder it in the mixer and use it. It makes our cutlet very crispy and very tasty also. Just try it out. So I will put this cutlet into hot oil. By that time, another cutlet also we will make in the same way. Coat the cutlet nicely in cornflakes powder, and here goes the next cutlet into the oil. Flame should be medium. Our first cutlet is ready. So our cornflakes coated cutlets are ready. Now I am experimenting this cutlet for the first time with rava coating or semolina or suji, because many of the times we don't have breadcrumbs or cornflakes in our house, but this rava or suji is easily available in every house. So I am trying it for the first time. Let's check it out how it comes. Coat in the similar procedure we have to follow. We have to just put the cutlet in the slurry and cover it with the rava which is available at our home. And now this will go into the oil. Let's see how it comes. So this is my experiment, first experiment with the cutlet. So this is the result. The cutlet is looking good, but we don't get that orange color, just little light in color. But it has also come out very nicely, so it's a very good substitute for breadcrumbs and cornflakes. And the crispness is the same for both types of cutlet. So you can try it out. My experiment has become successful. You can also follow this procedure and make tasty cutlets. The cutlet has not absorbed any sort of oil. It is crispy from outside and very soft from inside. So definitely try this recipe. It's very tasty and healthy as well. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.